What's good, YouTube? This video is on all my tools and everything I use in my garage to work on my cars. And the first thing is my commercial electric multimeter. Over here, I love this thing. This is probably one of my favorite thing in my toolbox. You can use it for checking ground, checking for power, to send ground in a wire if you're not getting the ground, to send power in a wire if you're not getting the power. You can check all your fuses with it. I use it to do remote start, installing TVs, also radio. There's a lot of stuff you can do with it. Go to your cigarette lighter. If your cigarette lighter is not working, you can also have it on your battery. I got the extension for it. This here, my 7mm gloves. I use a lot. Down here, got my nuts, drive sets. Got different sizes. I like them. Over here, got all my picks and hooks and stuff. Those are bigger ones. My 1/2-inch bar. Down here, couple screwdriver. I need to get a better screwdriver, but I usually use those bits more than I use screwdriver with a drill. To pick up screws or nuts or bolts if you drop them in tight spot. My door spring compressor. This here go with this thing here. It's extra things that came with it. Down here, only thing that's craftsman, it's this here. And over here, got my ratchet, and only one that came from Home Depot, it's here. Got my extension, a metal cutter, under there chain, motorcycle chain cutter. Down here, got all my wrenches. I gotta get some more different style so I can put up here. And down here, it's a bunch of wire connector for car audio stuff and remote start installation. And when it comes to these here, I got a whole bunch. I got all different style, different size. I got tons of them, so I need to find a better place to put all of them, because when I say I have a ton in the basement. So all these here got come out, so I can put more tools in here. Got all my tape measurements, glasses, more of those connector, zip tie, screws and nails and stuff. All these gotta come out so I can put my Milwaukee drill set in here when I purchase them. Down here, it's a bunch of extra stuff like fuses, battery, just small stuff I keep in one spot. Down here, it's all my sockets. I need to get some more to fill back here and also back here, then I think I'm set. Yeah, last night I took my time, organized everything. Got more down here. And here, it's my torque meter. Lifetime warranty on it. And these two here to lift a heavy object like windshield or whatever. here, got my HSS step drill, my thermometer. This I paid $5 for it. Spark plug checker. On here, it's my 18 gauge 2-inch 1 air nailer stapler. I have 2 of them. This is still in the box. I got one in the bottom. These were free. I got 2. Over here, it's all my hammer. This is probably my favorite hammer here. That little thing look like a little pit ball. Right here, got a spring compressor. You got your rotary tool with all type of different tape and bits or whatever. I got like 3 of them, 2 still in the box, and then 1 I'm using. Over here, got my machete from Harbor Freight. So basically all that stuff come from Harbor Freight except for this hammer and this thing here. Down here, got my earthquake impact, my power made impact. This one is from Minos. This is from Harbor Freight. My timing light to set your car timing. You guys know the steps. Woodwork stuff. More bits in here. Compression test kit. And this is a blood tester. Over here, got my front end service set, 6 pieces, lifetime warranty. Everything is in here. So everything in this picture is in that box. Over here, it's for your coil spring tool, compressor, I mean. And you got some tire remover tools here. Got these here for battery and stuff. And down here I got all my air tools, some of them. My grinder, cutter, all my drill bit set. Got this here. There's one other one. I got 2 brand new ones. The digital multimeter, that was free. Stapler. Harbor Freight spray gun, both of these. And here, got my 6-ton jack stand Also, I got my 3-ton over here. Over here, my 29-gallon air compressor, my half-ton and engine stand. In here, I got a whole bunch of chemical, bunch of other crap I need to organize. So down in this cabinet, car parts, paint, more paint, chemical. I got a couple tools in here. I got my grinder, my drill, my jigsaw, and then more paint, my sander. So yeah, YouTube, I think, oh, I got this. I got to replace it over here to this here. I got to replace it, and then this is my grinder. Also here, it's my 2-ton Harbor Freight engine hoist. This thing here come really handy. That's what I use to lift my car. Also, I got a table saw somewhere, which I'm not gonna dig to find it. Here we got my 125 amp Chicago electric welding. Now at first I was using the 90 amp, which is a good welder too, but then this 125 amp came on sale for the same price I purchased the 90 amp for. So before the warranty wear out, I took it back in exchange for the 125 amp. So yeah, they're actually great welder. It will do that job. And here we have my 3-ton heavy duty floor jack. I love this jack. This jack will lift the whole side of the car with no issue.